Hello, Super Paco again in our lesson number 6. It's our lesson number 6 today. How are you? Everything good? Yes. Remember to tell me if you are going good with the lessons, if you have problems with anything, if you have any doubt, you can text me. Okay, so let's go with number 6, lesson number 6. So last lesson, Paco, was about a little review, okay, of the last 4 lessons. And today we are going to see again past simple and past continuous. This is an important review because we use a lot past simple and past continuous, like present simple and present continuous. It's something that we use a lot. So remember that we are establishing, we are getting the base of the grammar. Okay, I'm going to improve my lighting so you can see me better. Good like this. Maybe like this better. So I don't look very old. Okay, so Super Paco, let's go. As I told you, this is a review of past simple and past continuous. So it's to practice a little bit more, and it's going to be familiar, but it's important that you have a little review. Okay, here you can see the book, right? The book that we normally use for practicing and for learning. So look, past simple and past continuous is the lesson, the name of the lesson today. Remember, past simple, past continuous. Remember Manolito, our little friend? Yes. Uh, Past simple. Let's see, I don't know if I have it here. That's okay. Past simple, past continuous. Remember, we have the timeline, and past simple is an action that happened in a period of time. Sorry, that happened in a particular moment and is finished. Look at the rules here. To talk about a complete action at the past time, about an action, to talk about actions in progress as at a past time. Sorry, at a past time, right? So look, complete action, always past simple. Okay, past simple is a complete action. Why? I went to Cordoba last weekend. This is real. We went to Cordoba to a very nice uh, cottage, cortijo, a very nice cottage. What do you do in your weekend, Super Paco? Do you have days off, or as you are self-employed, autonomous, self-employed, you didn't have days off? You tell me, how was your weekend, my friend? So look, we were speaking about the weekend, so I went to Cordoba in the weekend. I went to Cordoba in the weekend. I was studying during my weekend. I was studying during my weekend. So during a period of time, I was studying. Okay, but I went. This is past simple. I know this can be confusing, but normally the rule is particular moment and a action. Finish action, complete action is past simple, and an action in progress is in progress. An action that took a period of time, this is always past continuous, okay? This is important. So look, immediately I heard the noise of a loud motorbike. This is past simple. You remember there's a general rule for the past simple. We add D or ED, and if it's irregular, remember our list of the irregular verbs. We check there in our list and we see the past of the irregular verbs. Okay, remember to be, the past is was or were. So, Super Paco. See, past continuous. She was waiting at the side of the road. She was waiting. This is past continuous. Remember, always past continuous. An action that was in progress, that took a period of time in the past, and always with ing. Always ending. I'm going to write with the here with ing. Remember, okay, with ing. Okay. So let's move down a little bit and we are going to practice to remember. Okay, this is a review, revisión. This is a review, revisión. So let's go. Look, complete the correct form of the verbs. Complete the correct form of the verbs. Look, I couldn't call you. The thief, what do you think here? The thief stole or the thief was stealing? Let's think what makes more sense here. The thief, el ladrón, the thief stole, me robó my phone. Or the thief was stealing, me estaba robando. What do you think makes more sense? Tiene más sentido. Obviously, the thief stole my phone. Okay, so look, you are going to practice. We speak today about thieves, ladrones, burglar is ladrón, but ladrón that enters in a house. Okay, thief is a person that takes something. A burglar is a person that enters in a house to take your things. Okay, in English we have different words. All right, so you have time now. Remember, you can pause the video. You have your questions here, and now I am going to show you the answers. Okay, there we go. So here you have the answers. All right, and let's go. Remember, anytime when I show you the answers of an exercise, you can pause the video, think, write your answers on a paper, and then you continue and I show you the answers, okay? I think this way is very good for you. Look, next exercise, read the examples from the stories, then complete the rules with past simple or past continuous. Look, we were crossing the road when I got out my phone. While the officers were checking the bikes, they noticed that several of them didn't have bells. Bells is timbre, okay? Bells is timbre. When we arrived, my brother and I got change straight away and jumped in. What is to get change? Imagine I come from the countryside, del campo, and I have been sweating. My clothes are not clean. My clothes are dirty. So I get change. I have a shower. I have a shower, and I get change. Me cambio la ropa. Okay? So look, we often use the past continuous and the past simple together, like here. We're crossing, remember. We're crossing, ing, past continuous. I got out. This is past simple. While the officers were checking. Remember, checking. This is past continuous. Noticed. Remember the ed. Sorry, the ed ending. This is past simple. When we arrived, again, arrived, my brother and I got change. Okay, got change. Look, got change. Oh, this is a little bit more complex. Okay, it's more difficult. Don't worry. Don't worry. Take it like it's like the past simple. Okay, it's not continuous because look, there's no ing. There's no ing here, so it's past simple. Look, we use the past continuous and the past simple together. The talks about an action in progress. Always remember, in progress, past continuous. In progress. The talks about a complete shorter action that interrupted the action in progress. Remember, Manolito, what interrupts an action in progress is the past simple. Okay, remember, action in progress, action at a particular moment. If one action happens after the other, we use the for both actions. When we arrived, my brother and I got change straight away. Okay, look, one action happens after the other. We arrived and then we got change. We always use, what's this? Very good, past simple, okay, past simple. When I arrived home, I drank some water. Once I finished my homework, I went to visit Paco. Okay, so This is an example. Remember, when one action happens after the other, we can use past simple, past simple. We don't have to use past continuous. Okay? Let's see, people. So let's see, Super Paco. Here now. Look, you are going to find a mistake and correct it. What is a mistake? Un error. Okay, look, I read a book when a woman screamed. Look, here we have a contrast. So there's an action that is taking a period of time and something that happened in the middle. Remember Manolito with the time. Okay, so this is I was reading a book when a woman screamed. I was reading a book during maybe 2-3 hours, and a woman screamed. To scream, okay, when a woman screamed. So again, you can have a look at the sentences 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, you can pause the video when you want, and now I'm going to show you the answers. Okay, I was reading a book, we were talking, we watched TV, I was walking, we were waiting, I was wearing. Okay, how was it, Paco? Good? How many do you have correct? 2, 3, 4, all? Very good. Okay, so you see more or less, and you are going to see that we are going to improve. Every lesson we are going to improve. Okay, look, here we have a little text. In this unit, in the book, we were also speaking about burglars and crimen, okay? Burglars, ladrones, thieves, okay? Different words. Don't worry for this, because this vocabulary is not useful for you. We are going to focus on the vocabulary that is useful for you, okay? So we focus on grammar and then process of herbs, canning food, plastic, recycling, and all that you need for your job. Okay. So look, let's see the last exercise that we are doing today. Look, couple finds Whitlocks burglar. Look, Whitlocks. What's this? Sorry, Whitlocks. Goldilocks. Goldilocks. Look, Goldilocks. Look, locks is like rizos or trenzas or something like that, and gold is oro. So what's Goldilocks? Look, we are using our word reference, as I told you. You remember word reference? Very good dictionary. Together, word reference and Cambridge dictionary also is very good. Don't worry, I'll show you another day, Cambridge dictionary. So look, Goldilocks, and here you have, this is Ricitos de Oro. Do you remember the book? Ricitos de Oro, Goldilocks. Okay, so we come back to our book. Couple find Goldilocks burglar. So remember, burglar is a person who enters in a house to take your things. So something strange happened here. Look, you have to complete with past simple or past continuous. Okay, this is the idea. You have to complete with past simple or past continuous. So you can pause the video here, complete the answers. Here, remember, you have here, notice, look, find, hang. So you have here the different verbs that you are going to use, okay? Here you have the different verbs that you are going to use for the exercise, okay? So you have to write it in the past simple or in the past continuous, okay, my friend? So there we go. You can pause the video here. And now I'm going to show you the answers, like usually, okay? I think this is very good for you. Okay, noticed, was looking, found, were hanging, was leaving, went, was sleeping, arrived, was staying, and needed. Okay, this is the solution for this exercise. All right? So very good, my friend. Look, now this is only grammar today. So today is short because we already, ya hemos visto, we already saw the past simple and past continuous, but now we work with both together. We work with past continuous and past simple together. Remember, together, like here, an action that takes progress, an action that cuts this action. Okay? Remember, we are seeing the line of time. Past simple is an action that cuts the action, so something that happens in a particular moment, and um, past continuous is a period of time. Okay, now I'm going to show you, Paco, the videos and the things that we have in this lesson. Give me a second. One moment. Okay, look, here is the lesson that we have, lesson 6, past simple, past continuous. We have the video. This is this video for grammar. And look, here you have escape room. I gave you a escape room to practice the past simple and past continuous. It's very nice. Look, it's a escape room in which you start and you can go to different places. For example, look, destination 2. Let's go to South America. Okay, welcome to South America. Start. And you have questions. Okay, look, we use past continuous. Okay, so we are not going to solve it today. It's just for you to see, just for you to see. Okay, you go to different places and you have different questions. Look, you will have 3 questions here, and then you go to another country. Okay, it's very nice. It's very nice. Look, all the resources, recursos, all the resources that I gave you, that I give you, sorry, that I give you, que te doy, I tried them with my students and I know they are good and they are very good to practice and you don't have to study. Okay, this is the idea. Okay, then Paco, let's see more. This is the channel. Also, I want to show you that let's see 1 second. Here, okay. Look, this is Edpuzzle. This is important, okay? We are going to start using Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is another program that is very simple. So you are going to have, Paco, you are going to have only this. Look, do you see here Flatmate's video? Yes? So I'm going to remove this. So this is Flatmate video, okay? And I'm going to write here for you. If you watch the YouTube version, or stop at minute 3. Okay, I'm going to explain now what I am doing. All right, look, this is important because this is for you to watch. Let's put it in bold, negrita. Okay, so now you can see it better. So this is the lesson for you in classroom, okay? And look, this is Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a very nice website in which you have a video and you have to answer questions, okay? This is the same video, but you have it here. Look, I'm going to open it for you. So look, this is a video from YouTube. It's a video in particular that I used with my students. It's very nice because it's like a short TV series It's a group of friends who live together and they live their lives, okay? So I'm going to play and you can see the example, all right? You only click, let me see 1 second. You only click, Paco, in the link, okay? You click here, and when you go, it's going to take you to this, all right? It's going to take you here. Here is my channel in Edpuzzle, and you click. Okay, and here it has a little problem. I don't know why, but it goes to, it stops, okay? Don't worry. You click here in rewatch, and it starts from the beginning. Okay, so here you are going to watch the video. I'm going to put it big. And now it's going to stop. Okay, look, it stops here, Paco. So the idea is this. From now, I'm going to give you the video here, okay? Maybe we change, but probably we do it here in Edpuzzle. So you click, if you have a problem, as I told you, como te he dicho, if you have a problem, you click here in rewatch, okay? Here in rewatch, all right? And if you don't have problem, you watch it, all right? You're going to clean this. And let's see. Okay, so do you see that the video stopped? Yeah, the video stopped. And now here you have a question. What's the brand of the woman's car and the number plate? Okay, look, maybe you don't know what brand is. Brand. Okay, you can search in word reference. Okay, I'm going to help you. Don't worry. Brand is marca. Okay, maybe you know, very good, but maybe you don't know. So brand is marca. Okay, so you're the brand of the car. So you have to write here, for example, if it's Audi, you write Audi. Okay, and then if you want to answer this, and the number plate, look, the number plate of a car, what's this? It has numbers, it's a plate. Okay, what's this? Matrícula. Very good. Okay, so you write, uh, oh, Tano, I didn't pay attention. I don't remember. Don't worry. You click here in rewatch. Oh, pay attention. Okay, now do you see? You see your answer is here, and now you can write it. Okay, it's not the real one, but imagine 23, 21J. Okay, for example. And now this is important. This is first question is for you to learn how to use this program, because if you like it, we are going to use it more for more questions. Okay, and look, now we click here, submit. Submit is click OK for the answer. And look, you have here the real answer. Look, Volkswagen is the brand of the car, and the plate, the number plate is X694NUD. Okay? If you are not sure, again you can play rewatch. Let's see. Look, X694NUD. Okay? And now it's going to stop. Okay. So here you can see the answer that you wrote and the real answer. Okay, so you can repeat as many times as you want. And then you click on continue, and it's going to continue the video until next question. Hasta la próxima pregunta. Until next question.
This is my house. It's not big and it's not small, but I like it. 3 people live here.
Okay. So Paco, this is going to be Edpuzzle. I think it's a very good way to see a video and to answer questions. So from time to time, I'm going to give you a video on YouTube. I'm going to ask you questions, and we can do it through here. I think it's very good. Okay, so let's continue, Paco. I think it's easier for you and for me that from now I give you the vocabulary. Do you remember our vocabulary? Yes, so I give you the vocabulary in this video. So it's easier for you. You don't have 2 videos, you have only one. I upload it all together. Upload, subir a internet, upload, okay? And I show you here I think the vocabulary, and it's easier, right? Don't you think? Yes? Okay, so remember, this is the vocabulary that we saw until now, and the new vocabulary that we are going to see today is this. Okay? Number 1 in the vocabulary today is a brick. Brick is very similar to Spanish. A brick. You can see the word here. Brick. We say tetra brick, and you know tetra brick is because it's the model of the size. And I think, I don't know, I'm not sure, no estoy seguro, I'm not sure, but I think tetra brick is because it has 4 layers: plastic, cardboard, aluminum, and something else, or no? I am not sure. But I think this style of container is called Tetra Brick or Tetra Pak. So we can call it a brick. Okay? Then, this is a landfill. Look, this is important for you, I think. Landfill, landfill. Land is this, tierra, okay? Land. And to fill, look, fill is rellenar. So what do you think is this, Paco? Look, this doesn't look very nice. There is a piece of land here with something. And it looks like they are preparing this landfill for something else. And look, this is like a little mountain. So what do you think this is? Is vertedero. Very good. You know, when the landfill is full, they cover it with soil, con tierra, and they put little pipes for the methane, metano, right, that it produces. This is the reason why they have these pipes here, right? Because if not, it can explode, you know. Okay, so that's landfill, another of the new words this week. Then we have lids. These are lids, okay? Tapones, lids, different kind of plastic lids. This is metal foil. Look, can you see the detail? Metal foil. Metal foil is like papel albar or aluminum. Okay, the layer, remember the layer? Capa, the layer of metal that you can see in the bricks. So in the bricks, if you separate the layers, you see plastic, you see cardboard, you see uh, metal foil. Okay, metal foil, aluminum foil, right? And then we have molding. Look, molding. This is plastic. You put here the pellets of plastic. It's heating the plastic. This is extrusion, right? I think. And it's pressing this into a mold. Look, mold is molde. It's very similar. Mold. So molding, like moldear. So here you have all the shape for the piece. Here you have the hot plastic, and it makes the mold. The plastic is liquid or near to liquid, and is molding the plastic. Okay, so we said molding. One little second. We said molding, metal foil, lids, tapones, lids, landfill. Remember, this is very important, landfill, and brick. Okay, so these are our new words today, Paco. Here we are going to finish the video, and I gave you some also extra lesson. Uh, let's see, 1 second. Let's have a look. So here we have, look, extra lesson. You have a little video on YouTube, okay? Then you have a documentary, a very nice documentary, how the children go to school. Okay, this is interesting. I saw it with my students the other day, and it's nice. And then look, here you have the link of Edpuzzle. Remember Edpuzzle. Okay, this is the website. So my advice, mi consejo, is that you open it here. Okay, if you cannot open for any reason, remember that you can click in rewatch here, in rewatch. Okay, you can click here. So if you don't want to watch it here, please tell me so I don't create this. But I think, sorry, one second. But I think, Paco, this is very easy and good for you. So Edpuzzle is very good for you. Okay, so if you don't want to watch it here, here you have the link of the video. Okay, this is the link of the video in YouTube, the original video. But it's important that if you watch the YouTube version, so this video, stop at minute 3. Okay, you have to stop watching, stop the video in minute 3. Okay, because then another day we are going to watch another part of the video. We're going to watch another part of the video and we are going to ask more questions. Okay, so if you watch the YouTube version, please stop at minute 3. Okay, so Paco, look, after this, I'm going to show you. So from now, desde ahora, I think we are not having a video, a vocabulary video. So we take it out. Okay, so we are going to have the game, only the game, because in the same video, we have the grammar and the vocabulary. I think it's easier, right? Only one video, you watch the video, then the vocabulary, and that's all, right? It's easier. You watch the video, you pay attention, practice, and then you see the vocabulary, and you do it all together, right? I think, in my opinion. If you think different, if you want to go back, volver, go back to 2 videos, you text me and say, Tano, it's easier for me watching 2 videos. One for grammar, one for vocabulary. Okay, you tell me, don't worry, and we do it. Okay, so Super Paco, I'm very happy to be your teacher. And here we finish for today, right? This is our lesson number 6. We were speaking about past simple and past continuous. Okay, have a wonderful week. I'll see you next day. Bye bye, Super Paco.